How to fix TikTok login problem with Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix TikTok login problem with Facebook. So there is a really simple fix, and if you're having a problem with TikTok, if you're just trying to log in using your Facebook and there's an error popping up, or if it isn't just working, this is how you fix it. So for this to work, first you will need to head over to your app store and then search for TikTok. Search for TikTok, and if you find an update for TikTok, you'll simply need to update. Just use the latest version. As you can see, there is an update available for me. Just tap on update and it should work. After doing that, what you should do is head over to TikTok, long press on it, and there you'll see an option that says clear cache. Tap on clear cache and start clearing your cache. Just free up storage. You can offload the app from your settings as well. So clear your cache, and after you do that, you can head over to your settings, and on your settings, scroll down, head over to general, tap on general, head over to iPhone storage and search for TikTok. So simply search for TikTok and then offload the app and then reinstall it once again. After doing that, you can then head over to your TikTok and then tap on continue with Facebook, tap on continue and log in using a Facebook. Now you should not be facing any more errors, and yeah, that is basically it. Thanks for watching guys, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.